Blink Mini 2 setup. So Mini 2K is an indoor plug-in camera that can also be used outdoors when paired with Blink Weather Resistant Power Adapter. Some key features include 2K video resolution for improved image quality, enhanced audio, and built-in spotlight for challenging lighting conditions, and built-in siren. Smart detection capabilities are available when paired with a Blink subscription plan or a no-cost trial. So, to get started, if you're new to Blink, begin by downloading the Blink app and creating an account. Once you've completed the steps, you can proceed with setting up your Minute 2K. So, to set it up from the Blink app home screen, tap the plus icon in the upper right corner and then select mini camera, scan the QR code on the back of the device, or tap enter serial manually. Choose an existing system or create a new one, then tap continue. To add Minute 2K to an existing system, select the system name and then tap continue. To create a new system, tap create new system, tap continue, enter a name for your system and tap continue. Plug your Mini 2K camera into a socket using either the provided power supply with USB-C cable or the Blink weather resistant power adapter. When the camera displays both a blinking blue and solid green light, tap this Discover device. You'll be prompted to join the temporary Wi-Fi network, so tap join. Select your home Wi-Fi network, enter the password and tap join. Tap done to proceed with the setup. And to rename your camera, select a short name from the displayed list or customize your own. To complete setup, tap done. And that is how to set up your Blink Mini 2K.